name is Quille, and today I'm with Nolan to discuss our open access data project, Predicting Success in CS1. In Ireland, in our jurisdiction, computer science has typically one of the highest attrition rates of all held level courses, and has held this position consistently over the past decade. My work has been part of a longitudinal body of research to predict students at risk of failing or dropping out of introductory programming courses, often known as CS1, where the prediction model itself is called PRESS, Predict Student Success. The PRESS model was developed over 16 years ago by Dr. Susan Bergen, where it was first published at the SIGSI Technical Symposium in 2005. Susan Bergen went on to be my supervisor for my own PhD, and an interesting fact was I was actually a member of the original pilot study, a participant of the original pilot study in 2005. As part of my own PhD, we developed PRESS further into a fully automated end-to-end web tool, which was followed by a large-scale revalidation study, which included 11 institutions. However, there was a limitation to the PRESS dataset and revalidation study in that almost all of the institutions were from a single jurisdiction. 10 of the 11 institutions were from Ireland, and the remaining institution was from Denmark. So this was a limitation where in many of our works, future work was involved in developing a larger international study. This is compounded by the 2015 Working Group report, which adds context to this proposed work. That is, there were several grand challenges identified, and two of which are presented here. One essentially is to commit to maintain an open access data repository so that other researchers can access or contribute to the database when in all the educational data mining, but this is, I suppose, specific to our context of predicting success in CS1. And then the second is to use that data to revalidate or revisit previous studies to see if the results maintain in different jurisdictions or the educational settings. As part of our current work, we're reaching out to jurisdictions all over the globe. Our aim is to have 2 jurisdictions per the main 6 continents. And currently, we nearly have reached that quota, where again, this poster is to also add a call to the community. If you're interested in participating, that we would love to have other institutions on board. We also have ethical approval to publish the data, which is based in Europe, where GDPR considerations have been considered. If you have any questions or would like to participate in this study, we would gladly like to discuss this with you at the poster session at UKI.